Hey guys, today I'm gonna have a quick update video right here. I mean, the motor. Look at that. This is the progress update on something my grandpa has been working on. It is Chevy firetruck. Grandpa is restoring it and refreshing it to get it back into its normal state. It's something he's working on for the city. The city has had it since it's brand new. They actually fought fires with this. This is an actual fire truck. Just finished the fenders right here on the tires. Here's the hood. We're gonna have to attach that soon. That's not the original motor because they blew the original motor up in a fire. The beautiful red is just amazing. Guys, next time you see this thing, it's gonna be driving around in a parade.